Good day! Welcome to our online math tutorial series of math lessons for grade 10. Tara, sabay-sabay tayong matuto at home. Our lesson for grade 10 mathematics quarter 1 module 2 is all about illustrating an arithmetic sequence. Again, I am teacher Marian M. Guerrero, your mathematics teacher. Before we start our lesson, I want you to prepare the following: your math module, piece of paper, pen, and your math notebook. For our learning objectives, in this lesson, you are expected to define an arithmetic sequence, illustrate an arithmetic sequence, and solve problems involving arithmetic sequence. In the previous module, you have learned that a sequence is an arrangement of objects, numbers, or even figures which follows a certain pattern. Also, you have learned about the processes in finding patterns of any sequence. In this activity, we will identify patterns. Observe the following sequences. What is the pattern you observed in each sequence? Number 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. Observe that the term in the sequence is obtained by adding a constant number 3. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. Therefore, the pattern is adding 3. Number 2, 33, 38, 43, 48. Observe that the terms in the sequence is obtained by adding a constant number, which is 5. 33 plus 5 is 38, 38 plus 5 is 43, and 43 plus 5 is 48. Therefore, the pattern is adding 5. Number 3, negative 2, negative 6, negative 10, negative 14. Notice that the terms in the sequence is obtained by subtracting a constant number, which is 4. Or we can say that we are adding negative 4 because negative 2 plus negative 4 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus negative 4 is negative 10. Negative 10 plus negative 4 is negative 14. Therefore, the pattern is subtracting 4 or adding negative 4. Number 4, 100, 98, 96, 94. This is the same as number 3. The terms in the sequence is obtained by subtracting a constant number, which is 2. Or we can simply add negative 2. 100 minus 2 is 98. 98 minus 2 is 96. 96 minus 2 is 94. Therefore, we can say that the pattern is subtracting 2 or adding negative 2. Number 5, 1 half, 1, 1 and 1 half, 2. In this sequence, the terms are obtained by adding a constant number 1 half. 1 half plus 1 half is 1. 1 plus 1 half is 1 and 1 half. And 1 and 1 half plus 1 half is equal to 2. Therefore, the pattern is adding 1 half. Notice that to get the next term in each of the sequences above, a constant or a common number is added to the preceding term, or the number before it. The constant number is being added. It is called the common difference. And all the sequences are called the arithmetic sequence. What is an arithmetic sequence? A sequence in which term after the first is formed by adding a fixed number to the preceding term is called arithmetic sequence. The fixed number or constant is called the common difference, denoted by D. To find the common difference, you can simply subtract any term by its preceding term. Example, 4, 7, 10, 13. 7 minus 4 is 3, 10 minus 7 is 3, and 13 minus 10 is 3. Therefore, the common difference D of the sequence is 3. Let us now have some examples. Example 1. Determine if the sequence is arithmetic or not. If it is, find the common difference and the next three terms of the sequence. -4, 3, 10, 17. To find out if the sequence is arithmetic, there must be a common difference between any two consecutive terms in the sequence. 3 minus -4 is equal to 7. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. And 17 minus 10 is equal to 7. Because there is a common difference between consecutive terms, the sequence is arithmetic. Next, since the common difference is 7, the next three terms are obtained by adding 7 to the preceding term. When we add 7 to the last term 17, 17 plus 7 is 24. 24 plus 7 is 31. And 31 plus 7 is 38. Thus, the common difference is 7, and the next three terms are 24, 31, and 38. Another example, write the first five terms of the arithmetic sequence with 5 as the first term and with a common difference of -2. To get a term, we added the common difference or the constant to the preceding term. For the first term, a sub 1 is equal to 5. This is given. For the second term, we will add the first term to the common difference of -2. Therefore, a sub 2 is equal to a sub 1 plus -2. That will become 5 plus -2, which is equal to 3. Therefore, the second term is 3. To identify the third term, we will add the second term to our common difference -2. Therefore, this will become 3 plus -2, which is equal to 1. This is the same for the processes if we will get the next two terms, the fourth term, which is equal to -1, and the fifth term, which is equal to -3. Thus, the first five terms of the sequence are 5, 3, 1, -1, and -3. Let us now have our last example. I was advised by my physician to walk each day in the morning as a daily exercise. On the first day, I walked 40 meters. On the second day and third day, I walked 60 meters and 80 meters respectively, and so on. Which of the following is the distance I walked on the 10th day if I continue the pattern in my daily walk? For this problem, if we analyze the problem 40 meter, 60 meter, 80 meter, it follows an arithmetic sequence since there is a common difference which is equivalent to 20. Dropping the unit, the given could be written as follows: 40, 60, 80. Continuing this pattern until the 10th term, then we will have 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, and 220. Therefore, on the 10th day, the distance traveled is 220 meters. It is now time to summarize our lesson for today. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which term after the first is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. The fixed number or constant is called the common difference, denoted by D. And we get the next terms of an arithmetic sequence by adding a fixed number or constant from the preceding term. I hope that you enjoy and understand our lesson for today. Surely, you are now ready to answer other activities in your module. Thank you for listening.